welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you one of the best hair oil for all the hair problems that we are facing in our everyday life. This hair oil is rich in minerals, proteins, and also it contains keratin in it. So it helps to keep your hair smooth, soft and silky. Do watch this video. I hope this video will really help you guys. Do subscribe, share it with your friends and relations, and also give a big thumbs up. Ingredients I'm going to use in this oil are Moringa leaf 1 cup, coconut oil 400 ml, vitamin E capsules 3, castor oil 50 ml. The reason why I'm going for Moringa leaf is that it has antioxidant and antifungal properties. It also contains minerals, proteins, vitamins like B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, which all the vitamins will helps to boost your hair growth. The minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, potassium, etc. will give you the lustrous hair. It also contains 18 amino acids in this. So this hair oil definitely going to help you guys to grow your hair. We are going to use base as coconut oil as it nourishes the hair and also contains fatty acids which helps to maintain the sebum production in our hair. We all might be aware that vitamin oil do wonders on both our skin and hair. The reason why I am going for vitamin E oil in this is that it contains folic acid which helps to improve hair follicle cells, which treats the breakage of the hair. We might have heard that our ancient people used castor oil on their hair for faster hair growth. But as a teenager and working woman, we will refuse to use this castor oil because of its odor, hard and sticky nature. But believe me guys, this castor oil with some base oil will do miracle on your hair. It moisturizes your hair from the scalp and also removes dandruff. It is one of the best oil for promoting hair growth fastly. Take 1 cup of moringa leaf, wash it very well. Put it in the blender, blend it up to you get a coarse form. Now take iron kadai or silver kadai. Iron kadai is mostly preferred for boiling the oil. Heat the kadai first and you can pour the base oil. Here I am using 400 ml of coconut oil as base oil. Heat it in the medium flame, then you can add that blended moringa leaves into it. Leave it for 15 minutes. Switch off the flame when you see the small bubbles coming out of it. Leave this aside for a night without disturbing it. The next morning, you can transfer it into the glass jar. Now you can add those castor oil and vitamin E oil into it. Mix it well and close the jar very tightly. Apply this hair oil on your hair every night before going to bed. You can apply this directly on your scalp and massage it in a circular motion. If you want, you can wash it on the next morning with a mild shampoo. Otherwise, you can leave it for a whole day. You will see the visible results within a month if you are going to apply this oil every day. Hope this video helped you guys. Try this out and share your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.